I want to clarify an important thing with this video. Does ConsentMagic work with PixelYourSite only? I'm Cristian Stoicescu from PixelYourSite and ConsentMagic, and the answer to this question is no. In fact, ConsentMagic works with plugins, installing tags, no matter if PixelYourSite is activated on your website or not. So it's not dependent on PixelYourSite. In fact, I want to show you this. I have the Facebook for Commerce plugin installing the Facebook Pixel. I have SiteKit from Google installing Google Analytics. I have a plugin called Google Ads Conversion Tracking installing the Google Ads tag. And I have the Pinterest tag installed using a simple plugin called Head and Footer. So this is the basic code added here. And I have ConsentMagic. I will be targeted by the GDPR rule because I visit the website from a GDPR country, and this rule is supposed to ask me before tracking, meaning that scripts that track users are blocked before users say yes. This is mandatory for GDPR rules. And now let's see if it works as it should. I will use tagassistant.google.com to test for the two Google tags, Google Analytics and Google Ads, and I will use Facebook Pixel Helper for the Facebook Pixel and Pinterest tag helper for the Pinterest tag. So I have to add my domain. This is a demo website. I have it right here. Okay, so I see the message asking me for consent. I can click more options. I can see many more details. But the important thing, the Facebook Pixel doesn't send any data. Pinterest is not detected, and the two Google tags, Google Analytics and Google Ads, are not working. That's why I see this retry. If I click allow, we have the Pixel working, the Facebook Pixel working. We have the Pinterest tag working, and we have the two Google tags detected by the Tag Assistant tool. So Google Analytics and Google Ads are sending data. So as you can see, ConsentMagic is not depending on PixelYourSite. Of course, you would like it to use both plugins. They work very well together, but if you have tracking scripts installed by other plugins, no problem, you can still use ConsentMagic.